Details. Meanwhile, some news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. In Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, a team of experts from the National Centre for Disease Control and the Indian Council of Medical Research have been deployed to investigate a mysterious illness after 17 deaths were reported in Budhal Village since December 2024. The authorities are working to identify the cause of these fatalities, and further updates are still awaited. So we continue to see that death toll has risen. There have been 17 deaths that have been risen so far, and we have also seen that MHA, Ministry has stepped in terms of investigation and a high-level inquiry, and a team has been asked to probe into this, and the team also arrived to inspect these areas when we're talking about this, where this incident has taken place, all the villages that it has inflicted this disease. And it's a mysterious disease, and the cause of which is still not been ascertained. We've also seen that spring water and water, all of these springs that from which the water has been coming in, they have been sealed. So that's the order that has been passed, and it's prohibited. The ban includes that there's a prohibition of using this water, and the testing still going on about the water, whether the cause could be ascertained if there's a contamination in water. That's why the spring has been it has been sealed. We have with us my colleague Ajay Jandyal joining us on the telecast. Ajay, we have seen that lately, since a long time, this mysterious illness has gripped Jammu and Kashmir, so certain parts of the villages, and has claimed at least 17 lives so far. And the investigative team is currently probing exactly the cause of this disease. So what are the details that you know so far when it comes to this disease?
See, the government don't want to take any kind of a risk, and that's why, enough lives we have lost here in the Jammu and Kashmir as far as this Budhal Village is concerned in Rajouri district. So that's why Home Minister Amit Shah, he himself, intervened in this matter, and when he has saw that, Jammu and Kashmir government, they are basically not able to, we can say that they basically are still not able to find the clue and what exactly are the reason that 17 people have died in this, painful moment. So that's why that they have constituted certain, ministerial committee, and he has sent a team which includes a number of departments, experts, those who will, those who will basically try to find out the reason that what is the reason behind these deaths which are taking place in the Rajouri district. So ICMR team is also going to visit the ground, and definitely they will also investigate it thoroughly, that whether there is a disease which basically affecting the people's life over here, because there are 17 people who died in the recent past, in the last 1.5 months. They are the innocent people, those who belongs to a very far-flung area, and the people, those who have died, they basically having symptoms of vomiting, they have symptoms of fever, and then they went unconscious, and then they died. Neurotoxins that was found in their body's brain, and that shows basically there must be reason that their brain basically stopped working, and that's why they lost their life. But thing is that why it is happening, what are the reasons? Is the water is contaminated? That has to be seen. That's why that water is so probably has been sealed. Houses where these people basically was living, that houses are totally, we can say that, separated from other populations, so that if any infection is there, that will not go to the other. So these are the certain steps they have taken, and definitely government want this matter to be thoroughly investigated, so that that which is taking place here in this village, that can be properly stopped.
All right, Ajay, thank you so much for joining.